Hi guys, at CK we are launching our program for CAT 21 crash course and CAT 22 programs as well. So in case you want to join us for CAT 21 or CAT 22, you can just call the numbers given below or the links are given in the description box to join. Or in case you want to join us only for the books, mocks, shortcuts, you can join us. This Monday we're launching our new program. Guys, we've got 100 days remaining for the CAT exams. In this 100 days, let's set up the target so that I can clear the cutoff from IIMS. If you're from the open category, your target is 10, 10, 10. 10 question correct in quant, 10 question correct in verbal, 10 question correct in DLR. Okay. Now to get 10 question correct, 8 bhi aayega, to bhi IIM ka call aayega. Even 8 is enough, but target have to be 10. So 8 to 10 ki range mein you have to make it correct. Let's start the verbal section first. Now in verbal section, there are 18 question of RC, which is 4 sets, and 8 question of non-RC, para jumble, para completion, odd man out, summary, all those things. Now, if you are looking at the IIM call, your attempt, don't over attempt. In the verbal section especially, do not over attempt. People over attempt because our accuracy is low. Because the accuracy is low, they try to over attempt and we struggle because of that. So my advice is very simple. Let's set up a target. For example, in verbal section, out of total 26 question, my target is to solve 15 question. Yeah, this will improvise. This number will improvise as we give more mocks. ये हम नवंबर में आके फाइनल करेंगे, अभी नहीं. For the time being, let's keep a target of 15 question या 12 question depending upon how much you're getting. Which means your target is only 2 sets. Out of 4 sets, you have to do 2 sets in RC, and non-RC out of 8 question, I have to do 4-5 question. Theta, of course, I'll do everything for 5 question. So 10 and 5, my attempt is going to be 15. Trust me guys, if you have a decent accuracy, 2 set out of 4 RC and 5 question out of 8 is enough to clear the cutoff even for the main IIMs. You can touch 95 percentile easily if you touch these numbers. Okay, from the verbal point of view. Same way from the DLR point of view, your target have to be either 3 sets on the exam day or 4 sets. 99.9 percentile वालों का 5 sets. 5 for 99.5 plus if you're very good in DLR, 4 sets, 3 sets or maybe 2 sets. From that point of view, my target is very simple. In CTE, we have got 3 books for DLR. Her book में से I have to get 1 set attempt. Easy target. 1 set on, for example, Venn based diagram, or maybe there's a calculation based DI, pie chart आ गया गलती से. 1 set based on games and tournament. 1 set based on puzzles or maybe path, maybe anything which is coming in the exam. Maybe linear arrangement. Okay, so that should be your target. Easy target setting. So I got 3 books for the DLR. Every book get me 1 set correct, and you are going to IIMS. Moving to the quant section. Quant is always the main trouble area. So rather than focusing on 1 or 2 topics only, let's try to do everything. So इसमें target setting is very simple. Arithmetic, you have to attempt 4 question. Modern maths, your target should be 4 question. Rest everything should be 3, 2, 2. 8, 10, 15. This is your attempt around 15 question. With around 70-80% accuracy, you are done. Only focusing on arithmetic make no sense because out of 7 or 8 question of arithmetic, 2-3 question will be very very high level. ठीक है, वो शायद हम लोग ना कर पाएँ. So that's why I'm giving the target of 4 question. Modern maths 4, equations 3, numbers, geometry numbers, and time speed distance 2 question. Fine. This number you can change according to your requirement. It can be as easy as correct also. I can based on that. I'm going to do 3 question correct in arithmetic, 3 question in modern maths, 1, 1, 1. Get me 9 question correct, 9 to 10 question correct. You are going to IIMS. Fine. So rather than looking at the bigger picture, let's break it down into section wise and prepare accordingly. Okay. So arithmetic book, I have to solve the complete book so that I can attempt 4 question. Modern maths, I have to complete my book so I can attempt 4 question. Equation, I can attempt 3 questions. Geometry numbers, I can attempt 2 questions. Time speed distance PNC, I can attempt 2 questions. Easy target setting to get the IIM calls. Moving to the verbal section, RC, non-RC, I can target according to that. Okay, so in case you want to buy the books, the link is given in the description box. So orange books you need to buy. All the best.